The Alice Company is the leading supplier of modern technical solutions to the grain processing industry. We design and deploy the technologies and equipment for grain cleaning, its processing for flour and groats, as well as the laboratory equipment for determination of grain quality and grain processing products. Since 2005, the year of company's establishment, and until the present time, the company has been producing more than 200 different types of equipment that are used by more than 3,000 of enterprises around the world. Our enterprise uses the latest technologies and the most modern equipment in all stages of production. The main advantages of our approach are high quality and reliability, as well as functionality and efficiency of finished products. The identifying feature of the company's activity consists in the scientific and innovative approach, which begins with the founder of Alexander Veroshinsky, the Doctor of Technical Sciences and the field of grain processing. The company's brain is a creative team of the grain storage and processing technologists and designers who work every day to develop new technologies and equipment and enhance the existing technologies. Every problem solution begins with assessment of the quality of grain and processing products and modeling of technological processes and the laboratory of the Research and Development Center. Designing and modeling of technology and equipment in a computer-aided design 3D system, testing a prototype on a test stand in continuous operation mode, and then the equipment is launched in serial production. But the main value of the company is of course people, since Alice is a real family. Our team does everything it takes every day to make company products even more perfect. Currently, this allows to export equipment to more than 30 countries around the world: the North America, the European Union, Africa, the Middle East and Central Asia countries. Our mission is to create increasingly safe, highly efficient, accessible technology and grain processing machines, which will ensure the food abundance to the mankind, the profit to the partners, as well as prosperity to the Alice Company. Alice, your guide to the world of grain technology.